Seville, a city shaped by identity, where culture lives in every street, every rhythm, every detail, where history is not behind us, it's part of everyday life. Identity, a concept that defines how we move through the world, how we connect, how we belong. For the LGBTQ+ community, identity is not just personal, it's collective. This November, the IGLTA Global Convention brings the world together in a place where identity and culture are deeply rooted. In a country that leads with inclusion, where LGBTQ+ rights are protected and diversity is part of everyday life. For 4 days, our global community gathers in Seville, at the heart of Andalusia, where the essence of Spain comes to life. We gather to connect, to collaborate, to shape what comes next. Welcome to Seville. Join us in November for our IGLTA Global Convention. Travel, learn, connect.